Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acceleration. 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 Acceleration is a noun that refers to the act or process of increasing in speed or velocity. It is commonly used in physics, mechanics, and everyday language to describe the rate of change of an object's speed. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The car's acceleration was impressive, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Why acceleration is used in example number 1. Acceleration is used to describe the car's impressive speed increase, highlighting its ability to go from a standstill to a high speed quickly. Example number 2. During the astronauts' re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, they experienced intense acceleration, causing high gravitational forces. Why acceleration is used in example number 2. Acceleration is used to describe the intense increase in speed and the gravitational forces experienced by an astronaut during re-entry. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.